So now suppose someone wants to securely exchange information with Alice. What happens? First of all, we generate a key pair using RSA. So we use the first command for us. So let's just paste the command here. Paste the command. So now take note, with this RSA, we are using AES as a symmetric algorithm in here. And you save the content to Alice private.pem file. And our key length is 1024. So we just run this command. Asking it to enter our secret key. So we just enter the secret key. ITS is great. ITS is great. Okay, so we have this here. Now let's view the content of this using the more command. So we say more. Say Alice our private file. View this. Good. So this gives us the output. Now we see our private key. It begins with RSA private key. And it's been encrypted, so this is the value that we have. So the next action is to display our RSA private key in a text format without any other key data. So we use the second command here. So let's just copy the third command here. We copy this. Yeah, we paste it. Okay, so paste the output. Now let's enter our key here. ITS is great. Okay, so take note. Now take note that this command, we see the text representation of our RSA private key, which is being contained in Alice private.pm file that we created. Now take note, it also includes data like the modulus, the public exponent, and the private exponent, and which can help us to derive a public key as well. So now we have this here. We can go ahead and derive our public key from this. So we use our fourth command. So let's go here, open SSL. Now we are going to save this output. We are going to save this output. We are going to save this out to our alice.public.pm file. So let's enter the key. So okay, yeah. So this key, yeah, good. So this allows us to extract the public key from Alice private key pair, the document, the file containing our private key pair, and we are saving it to a public.pem file. And so we have this key, and now we can display the content of this. We only want to see the test file. We can use the fifth command here. Copy that. So we paste this here. So you want to see the test file of this. So you could see module. So this is now giving us only our RSA public key here. You see, this is the bit. So, and that is contained and this is the decimal characters of this key. Okay, of this key. Okay, so that is fine. Now let's just create an empty text file, and let's say we name it a plain text file for Alice with content secret no more. So we do that. We just create the file. We use the echo command. So let's just come here, copy that. So copy this file. Take note, so this should be in small e. So we just copy this. Here we paste it here. Okay, so then we save the content to plain text for Alice PFC. So let's view this text file with this different format. First of all, we use XSD plain text. Okay, so XSD plain text is giving us the file in what do you call it? This is the hexadecimal format, and this is the text it contains. First of all, if you do cat, let's see cat first. Cat will give us the simple raw data, which is the content, which is in plain text. Let's do XSD. In this case, we do -b binary, and we give our plain text file. So it gives us the file secret no more, but in this case, give us in the binary format. So let's use hexdump too. So we say hexdump. Now you see Then we give our text, our plain text. So that also give us the characters. In this case, we have a break of each of the characters written as decimal form. We have in bytes. So we have each byte separated, and this is the plain text on the right, as we can see. Now, so our next action is to encrypt this with our public key. So let's encrypt this file with our public key. So let's go to the next command. Open SSL resort encrypt, and we will save the content to a new file known as ciphertext for Alice. So let's paste this here. We save. So we encrypt we are encrypting with our public key, the public key that we generated earlier on, and this is the file, and we are saving it to ciphertext for Alice. So we just put that command. So we have the new file ciphertext.alex, and we can view that format. So let's view the decimal format for this ciphertext for Alex. So we just say XSD and cipher. That's for Alex. So you could see that now we have this decimal form. We have this format, XSD format, for this encrypted file. Now we can decrypt. Let's decrypt this. Suppose the other person with the private. So let's decrypt it with the private key. So we come back to our last command number 10. So we copy this and we save the content to a decrypted file. We name the file decrypted by Alice. So we use Alice by the private key we generated earlier on to decrypt this. So we run this command and we need to enter the key phrase. So ITS is great. Yeah. So now let's see the content of this file. Okay, so we use, first of all, let's use cat to see the content of this file. Great. So cat tells us the content in normal real text, which is secret normal. We can do same in, let's do this in XSD. So great, we do that. So that also tells us the content in the decimal. So let's do it in the hx dump -c, and then the decrypted file. Enter that. Okay, so that also breaks it down for us, and that ends our code. So I think we are good to go now.